Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. So I did already get my BoxyCharm for the month. That unboxing video is already up here on my YouTube channel and it was a pretty good box. I also get the BoxyCharm Boost, so that was also part of that unboxing. And so this month's glam bag, it feels pretty light, but let's go ahead and get into it. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, this is a monthly beauty subscription and it's supposed to be customized based off of your beauty preferences. Oh, interesting bag I got this time. I definitely have gotten this same exact bag as, I think I got a candle from Ipsy that came in this bag before. I am going to open up the Ipsy app because that does not seem like the right glam bag that you're supposed to get for the month, because you're supposed to get a makeup bag specific to the month's theme. Oh, it does look like that is the bag to get. Okay. Usually they're like the small zip pouches. I do like this style of bag better just because I feel like there's more uses for it, like more like a gift bag. I often use this type of bag to put a bottle of wine in or something like that. But okay, that threw me off right away. I did get this little card here. Let's see if I do have product information. I was not expecting that. Usually these cards just kind of have like beauty tips and I'm like, what's the point of them? But I actually got product information. It's funny how excited that makes me. Oh, and I also just got a glimpse of myself in the viewfinder of the camera, and I wanted to call out, like, I am wearing a top here. It's kind of hard to see, but I actually wanted to shout out this outfit. I'll put a picture on the screen because it's a full matching set from Abercrombie & Fitch, and I am obsessed with this outfit. I'll have it linked in the description down below. I have not gotten anything from Abercrombie in years, and I am such a fan again. Probably like 10, 15 years ago, I was obsessed with Hollister and Abercrombie. And then, you know, I take a few years off, go more towards like the professional work attire. And now, like, I am back on my Abercrombie kick. This outfit, it's a very memorable outfit. Like, you wear it once and it stands out, in my opinion, but I cannot stop wearing it. I love it. So, sidetrack there. Let's get back into my glam bag. So I'm just going to reach right in and start pulling out some products. First, I have here Head Candy. I am not familiar with this brand, and I love getting to try out new brands through Ipsy. And this is a lip butter, Go Getter Lemon Citrus. I am a lip product fanatic. I love lip balms. I seriously collect lip products and have done that ever since I was a kid. So even though this is probably not the most exciting of makeup products to get, I personally am excited to get it because I love trying out new lip products and new brands. So I'm happy with this first product I pulled out. Let's see. This is a full-size product. The Head Candy Go Getter Lip Butter has a retail value of $13. All right, next, Toy.co Serum Concealer. I love trying out complexion products as well. I probably almost prefer like trying out complexion, meaning like foundation, concealer type products, even more than lip products. So this is very exciting to get. Naya Blend shade F2. The packaging on this is a little confusing. Oh, it's a niacinamide concealer. I love the skincare ingredient niacinamide. It is so good. Naya Blend is a rich, long-lasting concealer made with niacinamide serum to infuse skin health into your glam routine. Okay, now this sounds right up my alley. It's sealed right now, so I'm going to just keep it in the packaging until I try it out, which I actually forgot to mention that I will be trying out all of these makeup products in full dedicated review videos here on my YouTube channel. I no longer have my trying a new makeup product every day series per se, but I am back to pretty much every other day uploading a makeup review video or some sort of video on my channel. So I would love for you to subscribe if you like beauty subscriptions, makeup reviews, tutorials, that type of content, because you are in the right place. So the Toy Factory Naya Blend Serum Concealer is a sample. The full size retails for $32. I think I've tried out maybe one other product. Oh yeah, actually it's right here in front of me. The Toy Factory Super Set Spray. And I remember thinking this is an interesting name for a beauty brand, but I think this is the only other product I've tried out from this brand before. All right, next I got, oh, of course, I have to get a product from Shoutout London and Ipsy. I do every single time, which I'm not mad about. This time I got the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. And just like I was talking about that trying a new makeup product every day series, I actually have tried this out before. I got this in BoxyCharm like a year ago, and I have a full dedicated review video on it. So I'll have that linked in the description down below if you want to see more information on this product here, because this makes the skin look so beautiful. It super moisturizes the skin, really seals in any areas where, like, I tend to get dry patches on my chin. This will smooth over that, and it will also give that glow and radiance to the skin even through foundation. So it's a really nice primer, and it's a bummer when I get repeat products that I've already gotten through a BoxyCharm or Ipsy, but at least this is a really nice primer, and of course this is a sample size version. Next, I have here TFB Lay Brow Eyebrow Gel. What is, oh, Trust Fund Beauty. I do love getting brow products as well. So I think I've tried out maybe a product or two from this brand. It says vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, non-toxic, fragrance-free. But did I get this in a shade? Trust Fund Beauty. It doesn't say anything about a shade, so is it clear? Oh my gosh. This is another clear brow gel. I got 2 clear brow gels in my BoxyCharm box, so 3 clear brow gels from the Ipsy brand this month. It's a good thing I love a clear brow gel and I use one every day, but that's a little excessive, although I'm not too mad about it. Oh yeah, let's see if that must be a sample size. Yep, the Trust Fund Beauty Lay Brow Eyebrow Gel in Clear. It's a sample. The full size retails for $24. And also, by the way, the Shoutout London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. I got a sample of it, but the full size retails for $28. There's no way that my bag is going to come out to at least $50 of value. In fact, I'm noticing now, they used to always claim on the Ipsy Glam bag you get at least $50 of value. Now it says up to $70 value. So no minimum claim, because there's no way I ever really got at least $50 value in the Glam bag. But okay, my 5th and final product. I have tried out this same product but in a different colorway. This is the Lovecraft Beauty Eyeshadow Trio, and this is in Muted Techno. The other one that I tried out had like a vibrant blue. It was a fun palette, and I can have that linked in the description down below as well. But this one, definitely more of my comfort zone, just these neutral, easy colors. So I am very happy to see that I got all makeup this month. So let me do a quick recap. And I got products that can really almost contribute to a full face. So why don't I try and do a full face order? So yeah, I'll start with the Shoutout London Dewy Skin Primer. And then on top of that, I would apply the Toy Factory Naya Blend Serum Concealer. And then the Head Candy Lip Butter. And then gotta touch up those brows with the Trust Fund Beauty Eyebrow Gel. And then the eyes with the Lovecraft Beauty Eyeshadow Trio. So I actually am very happy with my Ipsy Glam bag. This might be one of my favorites I've ever gotten in terms of the mix of products. So if you've tried any of these, definitely let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on them. And I would love to hear what you got in your Ipsy Glam bag this month. And like I said, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will be trying these products out very soon. And if there's any that I got that you want me to try out first, just let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video.